baba. Ako po yung nagpapasalamat sa tiwala. Pero I said it before and I'm going to say it again. Wala pa akong balak na tumakbo as president sa 2028. However, I believe I'm doing very well as senator and I can do a lot more as senator. Therefore, maasahan niyo re-electionista ako sa 2020.
Even if mataas ang number niyo sa survey, that will not change your mind, sir?
No.
Bakit po? Bakit, sir?
I'm very happy as senator, like I said. So, pa ako aakyat sa higher office. And then, I don't want to commit the same mistakes that others committed. Mga elected officials, first termer pa lang sila. And then after first term, tumatakbo agad sila sa higher office, so higher position. And they fail.
Sir, kahit pa magkaroon ng clamor for you to run,
I don't think so.
Final answer niyo, sir.
Final answer.
Sir, wala
What if mas
magpapabago sa
what if mas
decision niyo?
makakapaglingkod kayo as president?
Pwede na ako maglingkod as senator, di ba? Pareho lang naman yun, lingkod bayan tayo. So, yun.
Sir, pero mas malawak, sir, kung presidente.
Mas marami sakit sa ulo. O, di ba?
sir, kahit mas tumaas ka na sa survey kay VP Sara.
Mas kinuha pa hanggang langit. Eh, talagang hindi. Marami naman dyan eh. O, nandiyan naman si Mayor Lenny, si Sen Risa, si Sen Bam, si dating Senador Trillanes, nandiyan si Sen Sec John Vic, Sec Vince, si sino pa, General Torre, Mayor Magalong, so many people.
If
Sir,
not president,
mag-endorse
if
kayo,
not
sir,
president,
kung hindi kayo
what if
tatakbo?
katandem?
I'm sorry?
What if not president? What if kunin kayong katandem as VP?
Hindi rin. Hindi rin. Happy na ako as big senator.
Pero you will endorse, sir.
When the time comes, I think kung kapareho ng advocacy ako, why not? Why not? Depende kung sino yung candidate na tatakbo as president or vice president. I will know later.
Is VP Sara among the options na susuportahan ninyo? I-endorse nyo?
Well, sa ngayon, siya pa lang ata, ang very clear na tatakbo. Wala pa naman nakalatag na iba. Titingnan ko kung sino yung kapareho ng advocacy ko. So most likely yung support.